Hi, I'm Steven, and this is Rachel.
And we are custom cleaning of the Palm Beaches.
A lot of times we get the same questions from our potential customers, so we created a list of frequently asked questions to help you prepare for your initial cleaning. Step 1, decluttering and tidying up. If before we arrive, just some basic decluttering or putting away of items can be done, it would really help the technicians maximize the cleaning time they have in your home.
Step 2, supplies. The cleaning professionals will come with all the supplies and equipment that they will need to professionally clean your home. You do not need to provide any equipment or supplies.
Step 3, arrival windows. We provide a plus-minus half an hour window of arrival time, so we will let you know when we will be at your home, and we will be there when we say we will be there. Step 4, access to your home.
You can either be home at the time of the cleaning,
Or you can also provide us with either an access code to a keypad on your front door or your garage, which will allow us access to the home. Step 5, pets. We love your pets, but for the safety of our technicians, if they can be secured, it would make the job of the technicians easier at that time. Step 6, cancellations. We ask that if you need to cancel your cleaning, that you contact our office by phone at least 48 business hours prior to the cleaning. If a cleaning is canceled outside of that 48-hour window, we do charge a 50% cancellation fee. If we arrive to your home and we are denied access or locked out of the home, we will charge the full price of the cleaning. So let's make sure we're all on the same page and we get your home clean. Call or email Custom Cleaning today, 561-245-3839.